Eat smart, lose fast. 5 eating hacks that make weight loss a breeze. Struggling to eat healthy with a busy schedule? You think I've got time for this? Listen up, because I'm about to share some bloody brilliant eating hacks that'll make weight loss a piece of cake. No more fad diets, no more starving yourself. We're going to get this sorted right here, right now. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make smart food choices without turning your life upside down. You'll learn simple, easy-to-follow habits that can help you manage your weight and feel bloody fantastic. We're talking about mindful eating, choosing the right foods, and prepping like a pro. Get ready to transform your eating habits and say goodbye to those stubborn pounds. Let's get cooking! Right, you lot. Listen up. The first thing we need to tackle is this whole mindful eating business. It's not some fancy pants term, you hear? It's about bloody paying attention to what you're shoving down your throat. When you eat, are you really tasting the food? Or are you just shoveling it in, eyes glued to your phone, not even realizing what you're eating? That's a recipe for disaster, mate. You end up overeating because your brain doesn't even have time to register that you're full. Here's how we fix this mess. Slow down, you donkey. Put your phone away, turn off the telly, and focus on your food. Chew each bite properly. I'm talking 20 times minimum. Savor the flavors, the textures. Enjoy the bloody meal. And here's a little trick. Take at least 20 minutes to finish your meal. This gives your body enough time to signal to your brain that it's had enough. It's like magic, only it's science. Mindful eating isn't about deprivation, it's about bloody respect. Respect for yourself, respect for the food you're putting in your body. You'll find that you actually enjoy your meals more, and you'll naturally start to control your portions without even realizing it. Now stop acting like a starving wolf and start eating like a civilized human being. Now let's talk about what you should be putting in your body. And no, I'm not talking about those greasy chips you're hiding. We're focusing on nutrient-dense foods. These are the superstars of the food world, packed with vitamins, minerals, and all the good stuff that keeps your body running like a well-oiled machine. Think about it this way. Would you rather fuel your car with cheap, low-quality petrol or high-octane fuel that's going to give you the best performance? Your body deserves the same respect. So what are these magical nutrient-dense foods? Vegetables, for starters. Yes, I know, you're not a bloody rabbit. But trust me, there are plenty of delicious ways to eat your greens. Roasted vegetables, vibrant salads, even blended into a smoothie. Get creative. Next up, fruits. Nature's candy, packed with antioxidants and flavor. Then we've got lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. These keep you feeling full and energized. And don't forget about whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. They provide slow-release energy to keep you going all day long. Chapter 3. Meal Prepping. Become a lean, mean prepping machine. Listen up, you lazy sods. One of the biggest excuses I hear for not eating healthy is I don't have time. Well, I've got news for you. Meal prepping is the secret weapon that will blow your excuses right out of the water. Think of it like this. Would you go into battle without a plan? No, you'd be bloody slaughtered. Same goes for your meals. If you don't plan ahead, you're setting yourself up for failure. Meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Pick one day a week. Sunday works well for most people, and dedicate a couple of hours to prepping your meals for the week. Start by planning your meals for the week. Then, write a shopping list and hit the supermarket like a warrior on a mission. Once you're back in your kitchen, chop up your vegetables, cook a big batch of quinoa or brown rice, grill some chicken or fish. Whatever you need to do to make your weekdays a breeze. Pack your prepped meals in containers and store them in the fridge or freezer. Then, when you're short on time, you can just grab and go. No more excuses, you hear? Chapter 4. Hidden sugars and processed foods, the silent killers. Right, let's talk about the saboteurs of the food world. Hidden sugars and processed foods. These sneaky devils are lurking everywhere, just waiting to derail your progress. Hidden sugars are like those annoying little flies that buzz around your head. You think you've swatted them away, but they keep coming back for more. They hide in foods that you wouldn't expect. Salad dressings, sauces, even bread. Processed foods are even worse. They're full of artificial ingredients, unhealthy fats, and enough salt to make you thirstier than a camel in the desert. And don't even get me started on the portion sizes. Here's the thing. These foods are designed to be addictive. They trigger the reward centers in your brain, making you crave more and more. It's like a drug, only it's legal and readily available. So, what's the solution? Read the bloody labels. Don't be fooled by fancy marketing or health claims. If a product has a list of ingredients that reads like a chemistry experiment, put it down and run for the hills. Chapter 5, Hydration and Healthy Snacking. Stay hydrated and snack like a pro. Right, you lot, we're almost there. But before I let you go, we need to talk about two crucial elements of a healthy lifestyle: hydration and snacking. First up, water. It's the elixir of life, the magic potion that keeps your body functioning properly. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even overeating. Yes, you heard me right. When you're dehydrated, your body can sometimes mistake thirst for hunger. So how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And no, sugary drinks don't count. I'm talking about pure, unadulterated H2O. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and sip on it throughout the day. Now let's talk about snacking. It's not the enemy, you know. In fact, healthy snacking can actually help you control your hunger and make healthier choices at mealtimes. But here's the catch. Not all snacks are created equal. Ditch the crisps, chocolate bars, and other processed junk. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt. You've got this. There you have it, you lot. 5 simple but powerful eating hacks that will transform your relationship with food and help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to for the long haul. No more fad diets, no more deprivation. Just bloody delicious food that nourishes your body and makes you feel